Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can dress up as a bride for wedding theme in Dress Impress. Okay guys, for the hair, I'm going to choose this one, and then let's move to the dressing room. Okay, in the dressing room, I'm going to get item from the coats. I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to color it white. Wait. I'm going to make them white and make the texture glitter, and then I'm going to go to the purchased item and use this this skirt from the witch set and color it to white, and then I'm going to use this one as well from the currency items, okay, and make it white as well. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to grab a flower. So I'm going to go to this location to get a flower. Okay, and then let's get the accessory for this bride. I'm going to wear necklaces and also this accessory. The next one, I'm going to get this sleeve. Okay. And then let me change the flower toggle. I'm going to make it one arm. Okay, one arm looks better. And then I think my outfit looks so boring, so I'm going to apply pattern. I'm just going to choose white pattern. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm going to apply this pattern to all items. Okay, and it will create something like this. Okay guys, and this is the final result, and that's all the way to dress up as a bride in Dress Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.